Hello and welcome back to Tammy's Antique Vintage Dolls and More. And today I have brought a different video today. It's going to be a changing video of my Ann baby. I don't know what it is about her, but I keep changing her. And I'm not one to change a lot of my dolls. I usually keep them in the clothes that they are until a new season comes along, or I feel like doing it type of thing. I go with my mood or I go with the seasons, one or the other. But like I said, the other day I was out shopping and I was in a little bit of my own little mood, and so I had to go buy something. So we're going to put this on Ann baby. It is getting cooler here, believe it or not, for August. Usually we're still warm yet. But
we didn't have to have the air conditioner going all day yesterday.
No, so I even had to pack a jacket in my knapsack because it was so cool on the way home last night. It wasn't awfully cool, but it was cool enough though for a jacket. But anyways, as that may be, we're going to put this on her, and we're going to change another oldie too as well. So I pre-took off her necklace, so we'll just put this around on the lamb, and that way I know I haven't lost it. And I know a lot of people don't like her with her mouth open like that, but we'll put the pacifier. I don't even. Personally myself, I don't like that look. I like I got a plugger. So anyways, let's get this up. We're going to turn her over. She's one of my favorite dolls, though not favorite to others. To me, I love changing her. Maybe that's what it is. That's why I do it. But she's a hospital mannequin made in the late 70s, early 80s. She came out with several others along the way, too. There was, of course, this is Ann baby. Now, these are Care. There are the resuscitation ones as well. And there is also the Care ones, and this is what she is.
So this one trained nurses how to work on babies?
Babies and also parents at the time.
Oh yeah, right. For parenting classes.
Yes. So, I'm going to undo this a little bit on the tight side. There we go. Loosen it up a bit. There we go. So anyhow, but they also fell into the hands of the collectors out there. And we didn't have reborns at the time. This is as real as we could get for our day. I was a young lady at the time, and I seen this. I was working, and I had my own money. I had my own place, and so I bought one of these for myself. There's Ann, there's Amy, there's Anthony, there's Billy, there's little Joey. There's all kinds of them that you can get into, and they're still out and about. If you watch on eBay, you can find them still. Now, they can run a nice tidy little sum. I happened to score on this one here. I got her at a very nice little price. It fit my budget, and she can run about 150. And that's pretty much what I think I paid for her at the time too. But she came with a bathtub. She can drink in wet. And she came with in her bathtub, there was a blanket, some other little things, but one thing she came with was a wafer. That wafer, you put it in her diaper, put a bottle in her, the water runs down, of course, and it would make baby poo. I don't have the wafers, nor do I want to get into that part of it. I love her for the doll that she is, and that's what I enjoy her as. That's the only thing. So
that's one part of doll realism we can live without. Baby poo.
Oh yeah. Yeah. We don't need any more of that. So anyhow, we're going to put this on her. Oh, we'll take her shoes off too. I love those little shoes. Those were gifted to me. And they're just perfect for her. Those are Ann baby shoes. I only use them on her. Those are a hard size to find. It's those little tinier shoes. And when you do, like I see them on doll sites and everything where like you can buy doll repairs, like, you know, for restoring dolls. And they'll sell these little offshoot type little things like shoes like this. But they're so expensive. Now I'm going to take this off. I should cut that. But anyhow, yep, cut it now. Now it's mine for sure. Got to keep it now. I took off the tags. What? And where in the world did this? Oh, there it is. So, ladies and gents, when you get in a little bit of a mood that's just on the negative side, gotta go out and shop.
Oh, so if I want to go to Canadian Tire...
Under $10.
Oh, Oh, you can't get much of a tool from Canadian Tire for under $10.
Well, that's true. Okay, 20. It was just one of those days I was having. I think we all have experienced them. Now this is a 3 to, what was it, 0 to, oh, this is 3 to 6 months. I know she takes newborn most of the time, but now I'm beginning to doubt I should have went with the 0 to 3. Wow, this is kind of on the big side for her. Well, we could always say she'll grow into it. Right. All right.
Yeah.
That's what we usually say with our dolls. But you know what? It's okay. I think we'll make it work. There we go. It is a titch big on her. I should have went for the 0 to 3. It's funky when it comes to some of the sleepers because some of them she fits into them just beautifully, and then others not so. I might put this on another doll. I guess I might have to. I don't know. It doesn't look bad. It is big on her a bit, but not bad.
Yeah, the light's better over here.
Yeah, there she is. And you know, you can put her bottle in her. You can feed her. There's nothing in this, of course. It's just for prop sake, you know.
Yeah, just to feel in that mouth.
Yeah, there we go. She's got her Similac bottle in her. That nipple fits just perfect into her mouth as she's being fed there. So, there we go. You know, she's being fed. So, but anyways, there we go. Put her Similac bottle there. I like her little sock feet. I don't want no shoes on her right now. So we'll put her soother in her.
You know what I just noticed?
There we go.
If you take the soother out.
Yep.
And if you film her from this angle, it almost looks like she's got her mouth closed. It's just all in the angle that the camera is on.
If I was to get a reborn, I know you can get some that are crying with open mouths and everything. That's not my thing. I know there's people that like them, and I say, hey, go for it, because that's your thing. You like that. I myself, I like a wake baby than a sleeping baby. I was looking at sleeping and awake. I know they have that stare, but myself, mine's just for in my back room. You know, if I was to buy a reborn, I would like an open eye. I like eye contact. So when I look at my dolls, I want to see eyes, you know. So I know you can get sleeping babies, but I don't trend to the sleeping as much. I was really studying what is my like, and my like was more eye contact, you know, type of thing. So I think that's that motherly instinct that we want to be in contact with our child type of thing. Though I know this is not a child, but it does tend to come through. There's a tendency that even in us that we want to have that contact even with our dolls. We look into their eyes. That's what we're dealing with right now, and how important the eyes are to a doll. That we don't like scratches. We don't like them to be crystallized. We want to see their eyes. It's contact, and that's even with us, even in our older dolls, we like that. And so when I got looking at sleeping doll, if I was to buy a reborn, would I go sleeper or would I go open eye? I definitely would go open eye. Now my next one that I want to change here, we'll just put all her stuff over here, is this great big Kewpie Baby boy. I forgot him, and I love this guy. He is gorgeous, though he needs a total remake on his head. He is got paint missing off of him here and there and everywhere. I love this guy, and I've noticed him on eBay going for quite the price, and I'm like, no, what is going on with dolls? Some dolls I'm just looking at and I go, no, but I'm finding out, I've been kind of researching him just a bit here and there, that he's not the most popular doll to find. Now there was one with blue, which I got here. Then there's another one that comes out, and she has like it's I think the girl, and she has like pinky red feet. Now I've seen this one dressed up as a girl as well, but I like him as the boy because he has the blue feet. And down the road I was thinking, oh, I'll get the one with the red, but at the price that they're asking, no, it's not going to happen. You know, I'm not paying $200 for it. I get a Shirley Temple for that, not a doll like this. You know. Now, what I understand, these were won at the fair. You could go to the carnival or whatever, and you could win these. So they're a doll that was won. But so that tells me that, you know, they may not be as popular. Like you couldn't go to the store and buy them, type of thing. That's what I'm saying. Just like you would win your big teddy bears and everything. Well, that's what this was. You could win this guy here. So he is very hard to dress. That's why I think an open dress, a nice dress would fit better on a doll like this. I have to find stuff that is wide, that can take all this, you know, type of thing. So which means I have very few clothes for him, but I do find stuff for him. But I wear this on him every year, and I forgot to put his summer clothes on. See, I went from warm to summer. That's just how I am. But hey, in the doll world, we can do this. We can have some fun with this. So anyways, we'll get him dressed here.
It's our doll channel. We can make up any rules.
Yeah, you can have summer in the middle of winter if you want. And when you dress your dolls, there's no law. Just when it comes to your real kids, of course. But in the doll world, you're free to do as you want. No right, no wrong. See, even with this here, it is a tough fit on him too. It's not an easy fit. Now this is a little, it has a koala bear on it. To all my Australian people out there, he's wearing a koala bear on here.
Good day, mate.
There we go.
Want to put a shrimp on the Barbie?
Famous lines. There we go. Oh, he's gorgeous, isn't he, everybody? Even with all his imperfections, isn't he just gorgeous? He has a swivel head. His head can turn. He's got those nice, great big Kewpie, flirty eyes. I did find him this, there we go, Mickey hat for him. Out in my shop, I went rooting around thinking he's got to have a hat. He's got to have a hat. There we go, and he's looking gorgeous too. We'll get this winter outfit out of the way. I want to get him something different and new for winter. There we go. So he's got his nice little short pants outfit on, just for right now. He might wear it all winter for all I know, if I forget about him again. So I hope you enjoyed this. And baby's just relaxing now. She'll be nice and warm tonight when she's in her carriage. There we go. She's got her little bottle there. She can stick it in her mouth if she wants. These babies can do whatever they want. So anyways, have a great day, everybody. I got to go to work soon. And John?
How do you say in Australia? Is it kind of like in Hawaii where the same word for hello and goodbye is the same? Let's give it a shot. Good day, mate.
Bye-bye.